We had one of our biggest competitors come over and talk to us. They know everything. We know nothing. We're small, little, right? They're like, man, you guys are amazing, right? No, Fullbay is amazing.
Fullbay offers probably the most robust platform that I've been around. It outperforms even some of the proprietary software that we had, without a doubt.
Fullbay works in our shop, works out on our vehicles, works out in our customers. Fullbay works wherever we are. It is the tool that's designed for your diesel business.
I came into the service department and there wasn't a way to track a warranty work versus customer pay work. Some of our trucks might have a full build months long, so we need to track that each week, and I can track it in Fullbay.
Our biggest problem before was that the tech may write down on a piece of paper that he was there for an hour, but really he was there for an hour and 15 minutes. And I figured we were probably losing 10, 15 hours a week of labor that we weren't billing out when we should have.
When we started, we had 2 technicians, 2 service trucks, worked great then. We've doubled our size, doubled our fleet, works great for that.
If you're on the fence about Fullbay, one thing to remember is the support is huge. I've never had a time where it was even a couple hours that someone wasn't able to get back to me.
Fullbay has never said no. They've never said, nope, can't do it, not gonna do it.
You can go in there, especially if they're already in the system, and say 3 clicks gets you a SO already made. Then you're in it, you're done, a technician can automatically start going.
So all those things that took 10, 15, 20-minute tasks are now 5-minute, 3-minute tasks.
If you're too busy to adopt a platform like this, it's because you're spending your time doing other things that Fullbay could do for you.
I have never had a technician complain about, oh, that's too hard. It has been seamless all the way through. This is the complete solution that everybody needs.
Oh yeah.